Hello everyone, welcome back to English Communication Guru. Today we'll practice everyday sentences in English. So let's get started. वह खाने में बहुत नखरे करता है. He is very finicky about food. He is very finicky about food. वह मेरे ऊपर बरस पड़ा. He pounced on me. He pounced on me. उसका उठना बैठना गलत लोगों के साथ है. He hangs out with the wrong people. He hangs out with the wrong people. वह घटिया बहाने बनाता है. He makes up lame excuses. He makes up lame excuses. वह हरदम झगड़ा करती है. She always picks fights. She always picks fights. मैं तुम्हारे भले के लिए कह रही हूं. I'm saying it for your own good. I'm saying it for your own good. मैंने उसे दिल से माफ कर दिया है. I have forgiven him from the bottom of my heart. I have forgiven him from the bottom of my heart. इसी में सबकी भलाई है. This is for everyone's well-being. This is for everyone's well-being. उसे कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. He has to do something. He has to do something. तुम्हें यह हर कीमत पर करना होगा. You have to do it at all costs. You have to do it at all costs. तुम्हें यह हर हाल में करना होगा. You have to do it anyway. You have to do it anyway. कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है. Something fishy is going on. Something fishy is going on. उसकी हालत खस्ता हो गई. Her condition worsened. Her condition worsened. उसकी बातें मेरी समझ से बाहर हैं. His words are out of my grasp. His words are out of my grasp. वह मितव्ययी है, कंजूस नहीं. He is thrifty, not stingy. He is thrifty, not stingy. उसके अंधविश्वास की तो हद हो गई. His superstition has reached its limits. His superstition has reached its limits. वह जोश से भरा हुआ है. He has a fire in his belly. He has a fire in his belly. आजकल यह फैशन में है. Nowadays it's trendy. Nowadays it's trendy, or you can say nowadays it's in fashion. Nowadays it's in fashion. यह कोरी अफवाह है. This is just a rumor. This is just a rumor. तुम्हारी आंखों में सच्चाई है. There is truth in your eyes. There is truth in your eyes. मैं तुम्हारी मुस्कान पर फिदा हो गया हूं. I am mesmerized by your smile. I am mesmerized by your smile. तुम दूध जैसी गोरी हो. You are as white as milk. You are as white as milk. आप सबसे हटकर हैं. You are simply incomparable. You are simply incomparable. Repeat all these sentences after me. मेरे साथ इन sentences को repeat करेंगे तो आपकी बहुत अच्छे से practice हो जाएगी. And please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.